How can I get proof of address? Proof of address is an official document that confirms your residential area. You can use various documents as proof depending upon the requirement of the organization requesting it. So here is how you can get or prepare one. First option or first step is to update your address. Ensure your current address is updated with service providers like your bank, utility companies, and government agencies. Now, next, you have to request a statement. In order to do that, you can contact your bank or your utility company and request an official document such as bill or statement with your address. Next, you can download digital statements. To do that, most banks and service providers allow you to download official statement from their website or app, so you can use that as well to prove your address. The last one, you can visit a local authority. Some government offices provide residency certificates if you don't have a sufficient proof. So with all of this document, you can get proof of your address. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.